Welcome to Shree Learning Academy. Our today's topic is unauthorized software. So let's get started. Unauthorized software, often known as shadow IT, refers to any software installed on company-owned devices or networks without the approval of the IT department or management. This can include anything from unsanctioned work-related software to video games, personal communication tools, or malicious programs. Unauthorized software is not just an issue of employees wasting time on non-work related activities, but it can lead to serious problems such as security breaches, malware infections, and even legal implication in the case of license violation. It's crucial to understand the implications of unauthorized software and have process in place to deal with it. Understanding unauthorized software. As mentioned above, unauthorized software is any application installed without official approval. The most common reasons for such installations include employees trying to improve their productivity with tools they are familiar with or simply using software for personal enjoyment. However, this can lead to significant risk. For instance, unauthorized software can come from unverified sources which may contain malware that can damage network, steal data, or compromise an organization's cybersecurity. Some employees may unintentionally violate software licenses, putting the company at risk of legal actions. To prevent such issues, organizations should establish a policy where only system administrators can install software. These individuals would thoroughly vet each software, checking its source, its necessity, and its potential impact on the organization. Implementing software whitelisting is another effective strategy to manage this issue. Whitelisting involves only allowing pre-approved executables to run on the system, thereby ensuring that all software in use aligns with company policies and standards. The importance of troubleshooting unauthorized software. Troubleshooting unauthorized software becomes necessary when the policies and preventive measures fail. The process starts by identifying the individual who installed the unauthorized software. It's important to determine the nature of the application. Is it a legitimate application that could aid in the work task? Is it potentially malicious, posing a threat to the organization system? Or is it entirely unrelated to work? The next steps depend on the findings. If the software is beneficial for work tasks and isn't a security risk, the organization might consider adding it to the whitelist after a thorough review. If the software is potentially malicious or not work-related, immediate action is necessary. The user may need to face disciplinary measures. For repeated violation, the organization might even consider termination. For example, of unauthorized software could be a network sniffer. Network sniffers are tools used to monitor and analyze network traffic. They can be beneficial for diagnosing network issues, but they can also be used maliciously to collect sensitive data, such as login credentials or personally identifiable information. And if an employee installs a network sniffer without permission, it could indicate a significant security threat requiring immediate action. Strengthening measures against unauthorized software. If an incident of unauthorized software installation occurs, it's a clear sign that the current preventive measures aren't strong enough. To address this, the organization should reevaluate and strengthen their software installation prevention measures. One step could be to implement a whitelisting policy, and this policy allows only approved software to be installed or run on company system. And such a policy reduces the chances of malicious software infiltrating the network. Monitoring worker execution activity is another potential step. Regular audits of the system usage can help identify any anomalies or breaches, and this way the IT department can spot any unauthorized software installation in real time and respond swiftly. Tracing unauthorized software. Tracing unauthorized software is another crucial aspect of managing this risk. Abnormal network communications, for example, could indicate the use of unauthorized software. And by tracing these communications back to their origin, the organization can identify the software and the user behind it. And this step is vital for both holding the user accountable and understanding how the software was installed in the first place. In conclusion, unauthorized software poses a serious threat to the organizations, potentially leading to security breaches, malware infections, and legal issues. To manage this risk, companies should adopt strict software installation policies, with only system administrators having the authority to install software. Implementing a software whitelisting policy can further mitigate these risks. Finally, in case of unauthorized software installation, immediate troubleshooting is essential, along with strengthening preventive measures. Regular audits and monitoring of system usage can help identify and prevent further occurrences. Remember, maintaining a safe and secure digital working environment is a collective responsibility. As such, all employees should be adequately educated about the potential risk of unauthorized software and the importance of adhering to the organization's IT policies. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do check out the written explanation on our website. And don't forget to take this quiz based on this video. The links are in the description box below. Subscribe to our channel to watch more interesting videos. If you have any doubts, do let us know in the comment section and we will try our best to solve them for you. For private coaching, do contact us by visiting shreelearningacademy.com or on WhatsApp. See you in the next one.